It changed my whole confidence, my character.
He's the best of the best.
My life has changed.
If you can't tell I'm a happy camper, I am happy.
Some people feel that seeing is believing. Well, actually, you have to believe first in order to see it.
I was a victim of a dishonest doctor named Fareed Fada.
Breaking news on the sentencing for mistreated patients.
Unnecessarily medicating more than 500 patients who didn't even have cancer. His motive, money and greed.
He lost a number of teeth from the cancer therapy, and he didn't have cancer.
The unnecessary chemo damaged my bone structure in my mouth and made all of my teeth fall out.
And he almost lost his life.
I told him my story just like I'm telling you, and he's reassuring me that you're gonna be okay, you're gonna be okay. Of course, I don't believe him.
So we were able to pool our resources, help him out, and give back what he had been missing. So now it's great to see him walk down the hallway, flash his smile.
It changed my whole confidence, my character.
Teddy is back. My team is dedicated to help each and every one of our patients feel well taken care of, feel comforted, and well supported on their journey for a better way to live.
As I knew they had a robot, and you're sitting there, and he'd say, robot on, and then he'd say, robot off, and then he would actually do it.
First in Michigan with a dental implant robotic device called the Yomi, 3D imaging, 3D printing, milling, all on site in our in-office lab.
I had this phobia of dentists.
She showed up, she had a couple teeth left on the bottom, a denture on top that just was awful.
I walked in with denture partial, and I walked out with a full set.
The day she shows up for her consult was the day we actually moved ahead with treatment.
I think I found my dentist. And the whole thing is you're afraid. You're afraid to eat because, you don't. But it was amazing. I'd start eating and it was like, oh, I haven't been able to do this in a long time. No regrets whatsoever. I highly recommend this. You're worth the investment.
Our goal, our mission, is to help patients live better with dental implants. So let me tell you about our pal Michael. Oh my gosh, what a great guy. He couldn't eat, he had 3 lower teeth, bad teeth on top, and he felt less than. His words.
Dr. Bruce, thank you so much for doing the things that you did, getting the training that you got, being the person that you are. My life has changed. My whole outlook has changed. So thank you. Thank you for being you, man.
He hasn't been able to stop smiling since we did his treatment. It's just so great to see. And it's one of our team's joys to help people live better. We're just the guide. We help them on their journey, but it's the patient who finally decides to move ahead. And we just feel so blessed and honored that they chose us to help them live better.
I have no regrets.
And if I didn't tell you that I had implants, you wouldn't know.
Come here. You're in good hands.
I can smile again.
Thank you for giving me my life back.
And he's so personable and friendly.
I wouldn't trade him for nothing.
Oh, Dr. Bruce Smoler is one hell of a guy.
Dentistry has meant a lot to me, and it's given me a lot of joy, and I'm very happy to see my Bruce, and he's done well.